Say goodbye to sore throats, stubborn coughs, and weak immunity, and heal your body naturally. This powerful natural drink helps relieve throat pain, soothe coughing, boost immunity, clear congestion, and also fight respiratory infections. First, we'll need 2 lemons. Extract the juice and cut the peels into small pieces. Lemon supports liver detoxification and helps with hydration. Next, take a piece of ginger and cut it as well. Ginger promotes digestion, reduces inflammation, and eases congestion. Before continuing, please comment "Thank you" to support my work and encourage me. Now, in a pot, place half a liter of water along with the ingredients we've just prepared. Cook over high heat and let it boil for 10 minutes, then strain the mixture. Finally, add the lemon juice we set aside earlier and add 3 teaspoons of honey. Let us know which country this video has found you. Drink 2 to 3 cups of this beverage daily, preferably in the morning, for 1 week to give your body a natural boost.